going? What is good, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Today, another video on the Daytona 765. Today we're going to be doing something a little different, a little special. We're going to be replacing the seat. We're going to be replacing the cover of the seat. We're going to put a gel insert in the seat, and I have a custom seat cover. That's going to look amazing.
Mommy needs the pencil for the iPad.
Get her that pencil. Get her that pencil. Hey, it could be worse. It could be a $600 blow dryer. Anyways, let's get going. Let's get into this. I'm excited. I hope you're excited too. This is the gel insert that's going to be going on the seat. You can take a look over here. That's gonna be nice on the tushy right there, man. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna feel so good. So that's the gel insert that's going on the seat. Big shout out to Luimoto for hooking it up. I mean I paid for it all, but they kind of gave me free shipping, and yeah. So big shout out to them. And then here's the seat. This is legit. I haven't even looked at the seat.
You haven't looked at it?
I haven't looked at it.
Oh man.
Should we look at it?
Yeah,
Let's look at it.
I'm gonna move my shit out of the way.
I'm gonna need you to do it so I can film.
Oh.
You get the honor.
Oh.
You're helping me install it, so let's take a look at the seat. I haven't even looked at it, so big shout out to Luimoto. This is a custom seat that I had made, so let's see how this goes. Yeah, they have legit packaging. Ooh, shoot. Oh. Stop playing with my emotions, sir. Oh my God, look at that.
Oh, I forgot you got the custom
yes, I
embroidery.
did. Yes, I did.
forgot all about that.
Man, that looks so good.
You know what?
I can't wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. He's like, we gotta make sure this is a legit video.
Can't have fancy seat being on the dirty countertop.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm so excited. See, yeah, it's legit. You have to use your new scissors, or you could just rip it open. Get that foreskin back. Oh shit, dude, that seat looks so good. Wow, man, look at that.
Dude, that is dope.
Look at that. Let's turn it a little. Let's look at this. Ooh, look at that. That looks cool, man.
They did a good job.
They did a good job. And I went with like not having like the green on it, straight up black and red. Oh my God, look at this. This is gonna look so good on the bike.
It's soft.
I love the stitching.
I'm mad now. Like, I should have got this fucking...
That stitching is nice, dude.
I should have got this stitching.
What stitching did you get? So I went with Luimoto because one, I know Sub D. I saw Sub D's seat. I know Sub D. I seen it in person. It looked legit. And then Kenny got his. Yeah, I'd be mad too. No, but yours is green. You got the green, but I mean that would have been like dope. The diamond stitching, yeah.
I wasn't sure if I would like it or not, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go with the OG look, and
that still looks good.
And you know what I could have done? I could have put my KSIX right there.
You could have put KSIX on there.
There's enough room.
There was enough room. Look at that. That GhostNinja right there. Oh my God, that looks dope. That looks dope.
This is what happens.
That came out so good, man. I am really impressed with that.
This is what happens.
You are definitely, when you roll up on my bike, you gonna know it's my bike. That's for sure.
He buys something and I feel jelly, and then I buy it and I do the same shit, and he's like, "You're terrible." And then he buys
He's
it,
not wrong.
And then his wife yells at me.
Yeah, he's not wrong. That's what happens. It's in your eyeballs, though. That's disgusting, Kenny. That's disgusting. Anyways, guys, so the seat's off. The seat's off. As we saw, we did a quick test fit. You put it over this. It fits perfectly. So, a couple steps that need to happen is this is the way it's going to work. Is we're going to flip this over. We're going to remove all the staples, and that's the first step. And I guess, and then from there, basically, let me just explain the quick process, and we'll go through. One, remove all the staples, get the seat cover off, right? Let me talk, sir. Quit interrupting me.
I don't think you know what happens after that.
So then after that, then what we need to do is shape how we want the gel seat to fit on here for my ass. And then once we draw the outline for how we want to do it, we go ahead and cut it out and shave down the foam. And once the foam's out, then we cut the, let me turn around. Then we cut the memory gel, or the gel, not the memory foam, the gel seat to fit into there. And then once we do that, then we're gonna wrap it in this stuff, and we're gonna wrap it in this right here. And then after that, there's a waterproofing thing that we're gonna put on top of that. So then we put the seat cover on. It's a little bit of work, but Kenny's gonna do it all, so I'm okay with it. Anyways, all right, we'll be back. We're gonna pull the staples out and go from there.
Step 1, removing the staple.
I like how your seat came out, so I have confidence in Kenny. Oh, there's the waterproofing thing right there. That's gotta go on. The moisture barrier.
And there were some.
You need some eye protection for this shit, man.
There was some learning.
Learning that you did. Where's the eye protection? Yeah.
There's one for you.
Yeah. Let's be.
I dropped a pair.
That's how Kenny stores his stuff. Look at that. He put it underneath.
It fell over there, and I was too lazy to bend down and pick it up.
Damn, you could have had some custom solar turbines ones too.
I got these bad
those are
layers right here.
Alright.
Fucking foam.
Those are nice. All right. All right. I'm just saying, safety first. Here, cheers. Cheers. Before you work on my bike some more. All right. I'm not going to make you guys watch this, and that's why we have safety protection on PPP.
PPE?
No. PPP. Personal protection.
What's the other P for?
I don't know. It's not PPE. PPE is for COVID.
No, PPE is personal protection equipment.
You shut up. We'll be back. We're gonna let this. We'll come back after this is off.
PPP is.
Probably should use a fabric pencil. But
Yeah, I think like that.
I agree. Second line. So then from here, yeah. So if you put it up here, and then you can cut like from here. Then we just do this part, right? Because he has such a messy tool chest. You guys want to see his tool chest?
Shut the fuck up.
His tool chest is so ridiculous. All right, we got pizza. How's it going? How you doing? Sweet. Thank you, sir. Hold on 1 second. I got some ones. You take this. Let me get them. Hey, don't put that on my seat. Here you go, man.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good one. As a former delivery driver, you always got to give a little tip. Always. That shit's very useful.
Yeah, don't not tip the guy that delivers your food.
Yeah, don't not tip the guy that delivers your food. Alright guys, so as you can see, basically we've got all the lines cut out, lines like sliced out, and so right at this point he's just kind of shaving it out. So once we shaved as much as we can out with that tool right there, we'll switch to this tool if we need to kind of level it out. So that's kind of where we're at. We're making good progress, little by little. I think this is the most tedious part right here, is getting this part done. Cutting the lines, and everything else should be pretty smooth. That's kind of cool. Not gonna lie, that's
It's messy spots. Some of the bigger spots we can still cut out. But
yeah. But we're getting there. We're almost there. This is probably another 15 minutes worth of work here.
you were very optimistic, sir.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we pretty much stapled it in. It's like double stapled in a lot of areas. So this thing is not going anywhere. The majority, the really careful part is here, mainly because the seat has to be pulled back in order to put this in. So we may, I think, focus a little more here. But for the most part, like, this isn't going anywhere. And as you can see, oh my God, it looks fantastic. So we'll be back with it on the bike and go from there. All right, guys, so I think we got it done. Big shout out to KSIX, Kenny, go check them out for helping out. But here we go. Let's take a look. For doing it, for helping out. For helping out, for basically doing it. Look at that. All right, you guys ready? Let's look at this. Oh, yeah. Bruh, that is ridiculous. Look at that. Good job, Luimoto. Man, you guys made a dope seat. Look at that. Look how it matches. That's ridiculous. I can't wait to sit on it. So right now, I'm gonna bolt it down, and then we're pretty much done. So it took a little bit of time just to get it right. So again, big shout out to Kenny. You know, Kenny's very meticulous, and a lot of things where I'd have been like, fuck it, let's leave it. He was like, let's just fix it. So big shout out to him. We got it done. Make sure to go check out his channel. Big shout out to Luimoto. You guys make some good stuff, man. Legit. Like, that seat, man, look at that. I mean, what can I say? Look at how it just fits the bike. That looks amazing.
I can't get it out.
He broke it. Anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know. We'll see how it comes out. I gotta do some editing. There's a lot of footage here to go through, but it came out good. I like it. It looks good. It looks comfortable. Next step is to go take it for a ride. So I got to ride home about an hour and a half. So I'm definitely gonna break it in correctly. So again, I apologize. I'm not making a lot of videos. It's been a crazy month, but I'm gonna try. That's all I can say. That's all I can do. So until next time, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace. Ride safe.